Today, we will learn how to use dependencies in Monday.com with a Gantt chart schedule.
Here, I have created a sample of project management. These are the lists of tasks, such as project initiation, project planning, researching key points, and project development.
There is also a status column where we can view the status of all the tasks. We also have a timeline column where we can set the task's starting and ending date. As we can see, the maximum working days for project initiation is 5 days, whereas the maximum working days for project planning is 6 days.
And for the project planning, the maximum working days is 5 days.
Also, for the project development, the maximum working days is 13 days.
Now, in this tutorial, the most important column that we need is dependency. For project initiation, we want it to remain independent, so we will not use any dependencies on it. But for project planning, we want it to start at the same time with project initiation, so we will use start-to-start dependency in it. Whereas for researching key points, it will only finish when the project planning is finished, so we will use finish-to-finish dependency in it. Lastly, we have left project development. We want it to start only when the researching key points is finished, so we will use finish-to-start dependency in it. Today we learned how we can use start-to-start, finish-to-finish, and finish-to-start dependency in Monday.com. For viewing the dependencies result, we need to open Gantt View. Here, we can view all the dependencies we just used before in the tasks.